Hello everyone! So this is the tutorial about how to bead crochet Easter egg. So the egg like this, or any Easter egg. I created a new pattern, so I'm pretty excited how the egg will turn out. You can see it on the screen. It has heart and the flowers around it. I'll drop down the link where you can purchase it in the video description. So whatever you see on the screen is different from whatever you saw for the tubular bead crochet. The schemes are a little bit different. You see all the triangles here at the top and at the bottom. So this is the top of the egg, will be the top of the egg, and this is going to be the bottom of the egg, and that's the middle. So this scheme is for 66 bead circumference and the middle of the egg. And how it's read is either from top. Well, I show you how to read it from the top. So you have 6 beads at the beginning of the scheme. You start crocheting with the 6 beads, the first row. The second row you do insertion of 2 beads. So 6 at the first, 12 at the second one, 18 at the third one, and so on. And then whenever you reach the part where you need to do the deletion, you do the deletion in the reverse direction. This scheme has you see those black triangles. The software unfortunately cannot omit them, so it's included in the beads training sequence. But what I do, I just omit the black color. So don't put the black beads on your string, just straight white beads, right? Or whatever the background of the triangles will be. So this is like you saw on the tubular bead crochet. Basically it's the same. Beginning, and it has 3 pages only, and then the end. You can string the beads in whatever direction. I usually string from the end, so I go like this. So you go in this direction here, and then go up. Why I do it? Because in this way I start crocheting from the top of the egg, but you can string the beads so the bottom of the egg will be at the beginning, and you can start crocheting from the bottom. It doesn't matter. It's up to you how you crochet. So in my next video, in part 2, we're actually going to see how this egg will evolve and how to crochet the egg. So I'll show you how to do the insertion of the beads and then the deletion of the beads. Right now the egg look like this. I already pre-strand the beads, and hopefully it will turn out nicely. Can't wait to see how it will look. So hope you can join me in part 2 of bead crocheting of Easter egg. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.